Hello everyone! Welcome to another episode of Carolyn and Her Clothes. So some of you have been wondering, where have I been? Where have I been at? Well, I have ordered some things. I've just been waiting for some things to come in, and I broke down and I ordered a Trendsend. So a couple weeks ago I got their catalog, and I try not to order Trendsend because I have this love-hate relationship with them. I love their clothes, but they're very expensive. And I will buy their things, but I also try and limit it to very unique items that are, they might be a little bit expensive, but they're unique and I really like them. So I have a huge wish list. That's one thing. Is Trendsend is owned by Evereve. You can go on Evereve's website and create a wish list. If you use that same exact wish list for your account when you sign up for Trendsend, they can use that to style your box. It costs $20 to style a box, and anything you keep, that $20 goes towards your purchase. So I make sure there's plenty of things on my wish list before I put an order in. I actually switched my store location to be their warehouse out in Minnesota, and the reason why I did that is because I am an extra small in most things, and I need things that fit me, and they have plenty of that size. So one thing I first want to say is thank you whoever used my link again. I really appreciate it. I get 20% off all these items. And another YouTuber, Jill from What Jill Wears, indicated to me that you can now save another 15% by typing in the promo code SPRING. I'm going to try that as well upon checkout. So the prices that I'm gonna be giving you here are what has been provided to me, all right? And I'll let you know what was something I requested off my wish list versus what was not. All right, so up first, all right? I am wearing the Mora Gauze shorts by Roan and Ryan, and they're $54.40 my price, black extra small. They are a little bit snug on me and the pockets are pulling. These are the same type of short material as I have in the pants that I'm wearing today that I also got from Trendsend, the jeanie pants with the open leg. They're gauzy, they're really soft, they're a pull-on style. In the extra small, they come up mid-rise on me, right to my belly button. The pockets are pulling, like I said, they're a little bit too small. I like these, but honestly, for black pull-on shorts, I just cannot justify paying $54.40. Even in the next size up, I like them, don't get me wrong, but I just don't love them enough for black shorts. If they were really unique or different, I might get them and get a size up, but I just don't love them, all right? Next up, for whatever reason, this was on my wish list. I like this. I don't know why. There's something about it, and I'm not even a big stripe person. This is the Ada Stripe Tank in black oatmeal size, extra small by John and Jen, and my price is $70.40. Now this is on my wish list, and for whatever reason I like it. I love this high neck tank style. I really just like it. I don't know why, but I do. I like the black and white stripes for whatever reason. This is an extra small. It fits me fine. I really like it. I'm not so sure I like it for $70.40 right now. I'm thinking about it. There are some other things in here I might like more, and I might send this back and regret it. But I do like it, and one of the negative things I have to say about it, it is pretty thick and heavy, and I live in New Jersey, and we are approaching summer, and it's going to get hot and humid, so I feel I'll have limited time to wear this, okay? Next thing that they sent me are these Lucy sequin bracelets in white gold by Evereve. My price would be $27.20. I did not request these. I had a couple pieces of jewelry on my wish list that I look for. I'm not a very big bracelet person. I definitely wouldn't like these because these would pull the little hairsies on my arm, and I would not like that. So these are going back. The tag price is $34, but I said my price is $27 and change. It is cute, but again, not my style. So these will be going back. I won't be trying these on. All right, so the only thing that's a possibility out of this is the sweater tag, but probably not. Next outfit, give me a minute. A little bit unusual and different for me. This is the Blake puff sleeve floral dress in black and white by Roan and Ryan, and my price is $94.40. All right, first up, this is definitely a more spring dress than summer dress. This is like heavy weight. I mean, it has a lining underneath, and when even like the weight of it was a lot of material. So don't get me wrong, it's a nice dress, and I definitely think it's a quality made dress. I have to like it that way. But for me, number one, it'd be too hot approaching the summer. Number two, the dark colors are not, to me, like spring and summer appropriate. Yeah, I can wear a black dress in the summer, yes, but something about this dress just seems heavy and not, you know, reminiscent of spring, summer. It is very long. Works like, it's probably supposed to be a midi, and it works like a maxi on me. I'll bring it down so you can see how far it goes down on me. Gotta remember, I am only 5'2". It goes all the way down to my ankle. Yes, I would wear heels with this, no question about that. But this is just not me. This is almost like a Little House on the Prairie dress. I feel like I belong in Lancaster County wearing this. This is definitely not me. So this is definitely going back. It wasn't on my list, but she tried it. Now, I'm not opposed to a boho style necessarily, just not this length, this color, and this particular dress. It's just not me. So here's the back of it. Okay, and you know, it has like crochet going down here around the neckline. It fits fine. It's maybe a little bit short-waisted for me, like maybe the band can come down a little bit more, but it's not bad. And it has a split V neck, and it has like ruffling, and it has the tiered style, which is very big this season. So I'm gonna send this back. I can see why she picked it, because I did put a couple of these skirts that are tier style and the boho style on my wish list, but I think it's the combination of it being long, tiered, dark, heavy material that it's not me, it's turning me off. Okay, next outfit, give me a minute. Outfit number 2. The Idle Tee in white by LNA. My price would be $70.40. All right, this is not t-shirt material. This is almost like a woven material. And I would not say this is pure white. I would say this is like an off-white. So I'll come closer so you can see. It has, let me move my hair out of the way. It has the cutouts here and a V neck. It just has a regular short sleeve, and I'll show you the texture of it. You can see it's almost like a knit versus an actual cotton tee. All right, I like this top. It's too small on me. It's a little snug, but for $70.40, I don't think I like it that much. I like it, but not that much. It's something that I might keep on my wish list and wait for it to go on sale. I did not have this on my actual wish list to begin with, though. With it, is something I had on my wish list, is the tiered gauze maxi skirt. They're calling it in vintage brown, size extra small. It's like it's more brown, but it has some orange hues to it. It's, I would call this like a clay, like an adobe color, and it's completely gauze. It's by Z Supply, and my price is $63.20. I think I mentioned this before. I have no long skirts or dresses whatsoever, and I'm trying to branch out a little bit. And I think this might be the thing for me. This was on my wish list. I kind of wish it had pockets, and yes, it's the prairie style, right? So it is very much in with this tier style now, and I like to wear in style, in fashion clothing. This is definitely something I am probably going to keep because of the price. It is rather long on me. It comes all the way down to my ankles. I always wear heels anyway. It doesn't bother me. I'll probably just wear a white tank with this. I don't need this shirt for $70, but I really like this skirt. Very soft, gauzy, very beachy. Unique color too, I think. So I think this one's a keeper. I'm gonna have to look back at the footage and make sure I don't look too short and dumpy in it. But I kind of like this loose, flowy, beachy style. Okay, next outfit. Next up, I am confused by what I got here. So I requested these. These are the Cloth and Stone Chambray Jogger, size extra small, and my price is $118.40. For $118.40, I'm not keeping these for couple reasons. Well, first, I have a pair of Cloth and Stone joggers in olive that I got from Marshall's for $30. Now I know it can happen and everything, but $118.40 is just outrageous for these. And I happen to know for a fact that cloth and stone tends to be one of their most marked down items on Evereve. So if I want them, I can get them when they're more marked down. Second is that they're skin tight on me, which is really bizarre. They're size extra small, and they're really tight on my legs, and for me that is unusual, and on my hips up here. The material is quite stretchy and very soft, and I really like that about them. If I buy these, I will have to size up, but it would be in when they're much further marked down, okay? They're cute, but not 118 cute, all right? Next up, and I'm standing back here because I want to get total views of this. This is something I had on my wish list. It's Michael Stars, and we all know how expensive Michael Stars is. Not Michael Kors, Michael Stars. They're two completely different name brands. This one is more boutique-ish, all right? Michael Stars. It's the Ariana flutter sleeve sweatshirt, sterling Luna wash, and my price is $102.40. Michael Stars is also another name brand that often goes on sale on the Evereve site. So I will come closer so you can see the detail to this. It has like a French terry on the inside. It is not like a fleece, it's a French terry, okay? It has the raw edge, it has the ruffle sleeves. The bottom is also raw, but it has a hem. So it's a hem here and then raw edge here. I love the colors. I think they're really soft and beautiful. I like this top a lot. Obviously, I had it on my wish list. I don't think I love it for, what did I say, $102.40? Yeah, no. I mean, $80, probably. I'd love it. $102.40? No. So I think, sadly, this whole outfit is going back. I will keep an eye out for them to go on sale. I'm glad I tried them. Now I know that I need a small in these joggers, not an extra small. Oh gosh, they're so soft and stretchy though. They're very comfortable. It's like wearing joggers. They're complete stretch to these. So if you are interested, let you know that. I would not say, because there's so much stretch to them, they're not tight around my waist at all. The pockets aren't pulling, but it is quite tight. Like you can see them being curved here around my hips. So I think they are pulling because the lines aren't straight, but the pockets are not bulging out, if that makes sense. Okay, yeah. Well, I think the thing I'm going to keep in this box is the skirt, but I still have to look back at the footage. Let me know what you think of these outfits. If you think I should keep anything that I'm not seeing. These are the back of the joggers. Very super soft and stretchy. All right, well, thank you again for returning subscribers. I really appreciate your support. If you haven't liked or subscribed yet, please do. Click that notification bell, get notified of future videos from me. Take care, and until next time.